Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, the weekend is here. The holiday weekend is that people are getting their last minute shopping out of the way. Me, I got to work all weekend, all the way up until Christmas. But listen, for those of you all who are concerned, I am off on Christmas Day. All right, let's kick this review off. Now, the name of the watch face is called Merry Christmas. Now, this new developer that's on the channel goes by the name of VO Watch Faces. This is his Christmas product. It looks really, really good. I love the animation on this one. Even in the AOD mode, it is gonna look nice. Now, this watch face comes in two versions, male and female. This is the male version. Now, the female version is gonna come with a couple more features that this one won't come with, but it's pretty much going to have the same look and the same design for the most part. All right, now if you look around the bezel of the watch, what you got, it looks like gingerbread, candy cane, poinsettia, which isn't a bad look for a watch face. And also you get analog hands. You got a second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. You will get your date, and you got the reindeer right there for your battery percentage. And here you get Frosty just chilling, and it is animated. And it is inactive. So if I tap on the date, you can pull up your calendar, set an event. If I tap on the reindeer, you can pull up information on your battery. So this isn't a bad look. I do like the blending of the colors. I do love the animation of this. It does put me in a festive mood. So I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up. Question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this holiday Christmas watch face. And make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.